Let's start in overhand facing the right, in the T-stance, right foot forward, sweep back, step your right foot forward, sweep over away from me, step your right foot forward again, overhand weave, turn to the left to underhand, step your right foot forward, turn to the left to overhand. Now keep your left foot forward, open it up, and then you're going to sweep to your right because your right foot is back. So sweep away from me, come into underhand. Step your left foot forward. Sweep over the top to the right. Step your left foot forward again. Overhand weave. And now you turn right to underhand. And then step your left foot forward when you get to underhand. And then you're going to turn right again to overhand. And then turn immediately back to underhand, and then immediately back to overhand, and immediately back to underhand. And now from underhand, turn right into clockwise pinwheel. We'll do it in together time. And then come down on the right and overhand weave, and turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, then turn left to underhand weave, then turn right 90 degrees into clockwise pinwheel. I'm just repeating the combo we just did. And then come down and overhand on the right. Okay, we're going to do that a little faster. Overhand weave, turn left to underhand, back right to overhand, left to underhand, right to overhand. Last time left, and now turn 90 degrees to the right into the together time pinwheel. And then come down on the right and overhand. And then open your legs, double stall between them, then sweep over the top and be overhand on the left-hand side. Now we'll do the same thing we just did the opposite way. Overhand weave, turn right to underhand, turn left to overhand, turn right to underhand, turn left to overhand. Now last time to the right to underhand. And now we're going to turn back 90 degrees into counterclockwise pinwheel, and then come down and overhand on the left. We'll repeat that. So overhand weave, right turn to underhand weave, left turn to overhand weave, right turn to underhand weave, left turn to overhand weave, right turn to underhand. From here, turn 90 degrees into counterclockwise pinwheel. Okay, now moving on. Now we're going to try and go big. 1, 2, 3, big. Now we're going to come down and stall to the right, change direction, and we're in clockwise together time. And we're going to go clockwise big, 1 and 2 and 3. And now we're going to go down and stall to the left, change direction. So we'll repeat that. 1 big, 2 big, 3 big, down, stall to the right, cross tap if you like, and 3 big, 1 and 2 and 3, cross tap with your foot and other direction. We'll repeat it again. And big for 3, 2, 1, down, stall, tap, up, and big for 3, 2, 1, down, stall, tap, back up, plane shift, down into corkscrew, turn to the left, split the time. You're turning, you're turning, you're turning, you're turning. Now turn to your right, doing the same corkscrew, so don't change the corkscrew, just turn the other way. Now sync it up, tap on the left, up and over, down, and tap on the right, up and over, down, and tap on the left, up and over, down, and tap on the right. Now bring it up, turn, and come down and tap. Now you tap on the left side and you come around and turn to the right. Tap on the right side, turn left, tap on the left side, come up, around, turn, tap right. And then when you're tapping, just the tip, just for a second, so you don't catch on fire. So you want to aim the tip though. It's not this, like you want to go all the way around your waist. You want to try and aim it for the outside of your hip. So we can start with just these taps, tap left, double tap right, double tap left. And if you looked at me from the front, you'd see my hand is out pretty far in front of me so that I can keep the distance necessary to maintain the tap. Yes. And now I'm going to mirror you. Your right side, your left side, your right side, good. your left side, your right side. Now come up and over, down, and tap on your left. And now up and over, down, and tap on your right. Up and over, down, and tap on your left. Boom. Up and over, down, and tap on your right. Boom. Up and over, down, and tap on your left. Boom. Up and over, down, and tap on your right. Up and over, and tap. Up and over, and tap. Now add the turn. Turn while it's over the top, then come down and tap. Okay, when you turn the full 360. So you're facing me when you do it, when you come around. From here, all the way up, round, down, and tap. If you're on this side, you turn to your right, and then you'll end up facing the same way you started. You can just do this all day with your hands up here, as much as you need to get around all the way. If you turn your body fast enough, and you leave your hands above your head, you can just keep turning. I'm not turning like this, the poi. I'm turning my body with the poi. Using that technique that you just explored right there. When you come up over your head, turn the full 360, come down, tap, yes, reverse, come up the other way, full 360, down, tap, yes, up, around, down, and tap, boom, and up, around, and down, and tap, yes, and the other way, and the other way, and if you want, you can add a little jump. It's just a little hoppy jump. Yes. Great.